Comrade Chairman and comrades, I just received a text message on my phone, a WhatsApp, from the police. They tell me that they've had to close the side doors because the comrades are here in their hundreds of thousands. It is good to see the PNP back up and running.
Turn up the thing, PNP. Turn up the thing, PNP. Turn up the thing, PNP. Turn up.
But comrades, they are trying to say that there is no difference between the PNP and that other party, and it is a lie from the pit of hell, because we are not the same. We are not the same because this political party does not allow any foreign government to tell us who our friends should be. We determine who we are friends with based on their relationship with us. And so we welcome our visiting friends here today, because the PNP is a regional and an international organization.
Turn up the thing, PNP. Turn up the thing.
We are not the same because the PNP does not offer loans to students when bombs are dropping and people are dying. The PNP send money to bring them home. We are not the same. We are not the same because the PNP don't collect head tax from you and don't buy insurance, so you have high oil prices. The PNP put insurance in place to protect you against high oil prices, and Camille tell you that St. Vincent has taken on that policy and they have the lowest gas price in the region. We are not the same. We are not the same because we don't have a leader who run around from constituency to constituency opening one dege house. We open housing schemes. We build communities. We are for the people. We are not the same because we don't have a leader who think that he have to come and wear clothes and call himself bro devil or bro whatever. We have a leader who has substance, who has character, who has clean heart, and clean heart is pure in spirit. Comrades, we are not the same. We are a progressive party. We are the People's National Party. The word is love.